Welcome back to Get Skoolied, Bus Build Episode 5, where I'm taking this beauty and turning her into my dream home on wheels to travel the US with my dog Roxy Bean. Okay, so, it just stopped raining. It's now beautiful. So, I am gonna clean the bus roof. Because why not, you know? So I'm gonna go. Oh, look at that. Wow. I just got, it found me. Who the hell is yelling at me? Oh, no one. I just got a new gimbal. So I got some real magic tricks in my pocket. No, really. Y'all see them? You see the pigeons? Anyways, I got the soap. It's not bus wash, but it's car wash, so it'll do. Boom. Next up. Okay. I'm so sorry. A brush. Next up. You see that? You see that thing? That's mine. That's mine. Okay. Hey, stop. What's in here? Concrete. Okay. Where am I gonna put this? Nice. Grip strength. Oh! Ow, I just banged myself on this thing. So I know I want to somewhat stay on the ribs, like the interior metal ribs of the bus, because the rest is a little flimsy. So we're gonna get to scrub-a-dubbing. I'm gonna set you guys down over somewhere. But this is what I was talking about. Oh boy. Oh, you're gonna like fall through this thing. See all this nasty gunk? We gotta get that stuff out. There we go. All that nasty gunk is gone. So, looking good. Now I gotta get down from up here and go have some lunch. Welcome back. We are in the bus and it is all cleaned up. There we go. We've just got to get this front part done over here. But yeah, otherwise all the side panels have been sanded. Did some rust painting and mitigation over here. I still have got some to do up here because this metal is pretty bad, but I do want to remove this ground first. I was able to do it on this side just because these wires aren't in the way or anything. But same thing over here. So yeah, everything is looking really good. I don't know what to do, and it's driving me crazy. Cause I'm like, should I just start busting holes in my bus? I don't know. I don't know. This is what having a bus feels like most of the days, honestly. So, fair warning. Ugh, after a few hours of rolling and peeling and sticking and doing all the fun stuff, look at this. Finally, the bus is coming together. So we got the sound deadener everywhere. Skylight's gonna go here. Skylight's gonna go here. So yeah, everything is coming together. So the back is looking really good. That's where I put most of my time today. Just making sure I got all the nooks and crannies done. So I'm pretty happy with the results. So yeah, that probably wraps it up for this weekend. Long day, Memorial Day weekend. I've got some more sound deadener ordered and on the way to do the front of the bus. And then we're gonna start cutting some holes in the roof and framing this puppy, getting the wiring ready, all in the hopes of 2 to 3 weeks from now, I'd like to start getting spray foaming in the bus. So we will see how that goes, but for now, that's it. See you guys later. Bye. Okay. Why the fuck is this thing trying to not follow me? I'm at... Oh my gosh. The gimbal almost fell.